Thought while we were at it, I just did the negative formula for the subtraction formula for cosine. So I thought while I was here, I'd go ahead and do the addition formula for cosine, just to make sure that you know how thrilling I am. So it turns out that the cosine of u plus v is the same as the cosine of u times the cosine of v minus sine of u times sine of v. And we're going to prove that a little bit here really quickly. Really quickly. This is something you memorize and apply. So this is what this looks like. We're going to find the cosine of 7 pi 12ths, given that 7 pi 12ths is the same as pi thirds plus pi fourths. And if you're asking why so what? The reason that we're interested in these values, this one and that one up here, is because of the unit circle, right? We know a lot of stuff on the unit circle, and if we're having this conversation, you're pretty deep into trig, so you should have the unit circle put away. And this is just not good. 7 pi 12ths is not one of the better angles. It's certainly not as common as the two angles that are being listed here. So let's try to break this out again. And the first thing I would say to my professor is that I'm aware that cosine of 7 pi 12ths is equal to cosine of pi thirds plus pi fourths. This kind of outlines what your intention is. And then we're going to go ahead and apply this formula up here. And the formula is here. And this is the formula that we're going to apply, is this one. So we're going to start filling in the blanks, as it were, here. And I'm going to say this, right? I'm right here now. And I'm going to say that cosine pi thirds times cosine pi fourths. Here's the difference, right? We have a minus here. It's the opposite of what you might have anticipated. Minus sine of pi thirds sine pi fourths. Continuing to fill in the blanks, we know that the equivalent here is 1/2 times square root 2 over 2. This minus sign is this one. Square root 3 over 2 square root 2 over 2. Okay, where am I getting this? Well, sine of pi thirds, if you look at the unit circle, is this value. Sine of pi fourths is square root 2 over 2. And fill in the blanks from here. Again, unit circle stuff. So hopefully it's making some sense. Why would a person want to bother with this crap? I'm going to go ahead and do this math. I'm going to get the square root of 2 over 4 minus square root 6 over 4. Simplify this out, and we get square root 2 minus square root 6 all over 4 is cosine of 7 pi 12ths is my answer. All right, I really do hope this was helpful, and I'm really hoping that you are taking your time and that you are befriending the unit circle. And I also hope you're using a really good calculator. So if you're not already subscribed, please do, and your comments are always welcome. Thanks.